Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back for another video. So I just recently hit my 1 year of having the Flowmaster Super 10 on my truck. So what I want to do, because I get this question all the time, is how does it sound now? Did it get louder? Does it sound the same? Yada yada yada. So I'm going to do a direct comparison from my very first video until now. My personal opinion, with Flowmasters and the Super 10, they're chambered mufflers, so they don't actually, nothing internally actually breaks in as time goes on. But with carbon buildup and everything on the inside, I personally think it does sound different, and that's coming from me who hears it every single day. I do personally think it's louder. You guys can be the judge. Go ahead and comment down below after you've watched a comparison video and let me know, do you think it sounds any different? Does it sound the exact same? Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad right now, but we're gonna go out, get you a cold start, do some revs, hook up the GoPro, and get some driving footage.
Okay, so hopefully you can see
the RPMs and the speedometer okay. I didn't do this on my first video, but I had a lot of people asking for what the drone sounds like and inside the cab noise.
So as you can tell, cruising here about 35. There's really no drone at all. There's probably more noise from my chains rattling and things squeaking because my city roads are absolutely garbage and constantly hitting bumps. So I mean, if you actually had the radio turned on, the exhaust isn't going to do anything. You can just have a normal conversation. It's not loud at all. I'll actually probably, like I said, I've had it for a year now. I'll probably be changing it up soon. I don't know what I want to do, whether I just take the muffler off and do a Y pipe, or do true duals, take the resonators off. Honestly, I don't know what I want to do. Any Ram owners out there, if you have any suggestions, if you've tried different setups, or if you currently have one that you really enjoy, drop a comment down below just saying what you have, whether it's 2 1/4 inch pipe, 2.5, you know, 2.5 to 3 inch, whatever you have. Drop a comment, tell me what you got. and I'll check it out. But I'm heading back home now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the comparison video on if Super 10s do change over time, if the sound is really that noticeable. I'm going to actually enjoy editing this because I want to see for myself, like I had mentioned earlier. I personally think it has gotten a little bit louder. So we'll see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, more videos to come. I know one thing that's happening real soon is I'm doing an entire power stop brake change out because these Mopar brakes are absolutely trash. This truck has 35,000 miles and the brakes squeal and brake dust like crazy. The rotors are chewed up. They're awful. So a video coming soon. So if you are interested in doing rotors and pad swap and all that, that'll be a video coming up in the very near future. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Until next time, peace.